Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jamie with Not Too Shabby, and today I want to announce that I'm going to be doing monthly card challenges on my YouTube channel. I do have some monthly card challenges on my Facebook group. If you don't have a YouTube channel and you want to join in on the monthly challenges, you can head over to my Facebook group, Scrap and Stampers. I'll have the link in the description box. You can join the group, and every month we do a card challenge for a chance to win a prize, and it's a $10 gift code to Not Too Shabby. So I thought I'd move the challenges over to my YouTube channel. So every month we can do a little challenge over here, and to follow this challenge we're going to use a hashtag. So for this month we're going to use the hashtag Not Too Shabby Paper Bag Challenge. So I have it on the screen for you. It's very important to use that hashtag on your video description. That way I find your video and I can put you down as an entry. So you'll have all month long to upload your video as your entry, and you can just share my video in your description box so other people can play along. And then I will pull the winner using a random.org type of thing to pull one winner to win a $10 gift code to Not Too Shabby. So the day that I pull the winner, I'm going to create a blog post with links to everyone that's participated. So you'll have your link on there, and also you can subscribe to this blog. It's the blog on my website. I'll have it linked in the description box for you. You can put your email in there and click subscribe. That way when I post anything on the blog, you'll just get an email. So for this challenge, all you have to do is make a card with a paper bag. Now you can use your imagination or you can follow along. I have several tutorials on how to make a paper bag card like this, and I'll have those in the description box for you. Otherwise, there's different ways you can make a card out of a paper bag. It could be any type of paper bag. So for this card, I created a clasp here with some lace, and then it opens up like this, and then over here I glued the ends to make a little pocket for a little tag. And then on this side I left it open so you can put a little gift in there and then tie it closed. And I just decorated this one with a lot of lace, flowers, and then an image and a sentiment. Here's another example. This was from a crafty friend from Faith and Frankie. That's her YouTube channel, and she did a paper bag in this kind of style where you could see this is the paper bag. There's the side of the paper bag. On the inside you can put a tag that comes out with your message, and then she has her paper bag like this. So this is the front, and then she glued that shut, and then you can leave it as a pocket or glue it shut, and then she probably trimmed down her paper bag. So that's another idea. So I hope you guys have fun with this challenge. I'm really looking forward to seeing what you guys come up with, and I can't wait to see your video. Don't forget to use the hashtag, and I will be following along, and hopefully many of you will be following along the hashtag and get some really nice inspiration. And I thank you guys for stopping by and supporting my channel. I really do appreciate it. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye guys!